Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Amazon and signing in. This ties the balance to your account immediately. Once signed in, navigate to Accounts and Lists on desktop or tap the menu icon on mobile and choose Gift Cards or Redeem. Make sure you have the 16 to 20 character code visible, scratch off, email, or screenshot, because exact characters matter. Entering early prevents checkout delays and ensures the value is stored. Once done, proceed to the redemption entry so you can apply the card to purchase. You now enter the code into the Redeem a Gift Card field. Paste or type it exactly, including hyphens if shown, because formatting can matter. After you click Apply, Amazon will display the added balance and a confirmation message so you know the code succeeded. If you prefer to use the card immediately, start checkout and select Apply Gift Card under Payment Options, which deducts from your order total first. Make sure to review the new balance and the remaining amount before finishing payment. Finish your purchase as usual. The gift card balance applies first, and any remaining amount charges your default payment method. If the code fails, first recheck that you typed it exactly, confirm stable internet, and verify your Amazon account region matches the card's country. Region mismatch often blocks redemption. If problems persist, contact Amazon support and have the code and purchase email ready. Also keep your redemption email or screenshot until the balance appears, because it speeds up resolution if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.